How to fix Windows 11 app not opening? First step, restart your device. Second step, search for run and type the following text wsreset.exe and click OK. And come to third step, search for run and type the following text cleanmgr. Click OK. Select the drive. Click OK. Select the files you are going to delete. Once selecting after, you can click view files and verify it and click OK. Click delete files. After deleting, wait for some times. Then move on with next step. Click setting. Click system settings. Scroll down, click troubleshoot settings. Click other troubleshoot and follow the on-screen instruction. The next step, search for command prompt. Right click. Click run as administrator. Type the following text sfc /scan now. Click enter and wait for some times. It's verifying your files in your device. Complete after, exit it and restart your device. After restart, move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click. Click run as administrator. Type the following text dism /online /cleanup image cleanup -image /check health. After completing the next command dism /online /cleanup -image /scan health. Click enter and wait for some times. Come to third command dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click enter. After completing 100%, close it and restart your device. Thank you.